What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success. Hope all is well. So I was on YouTube yesterday and I seen a video by Financial Education. Jeremy, he posted that he just bought, I believe, $77,000 worth of Meta stock, formerly known as Facebook. And I wanted to do a reaction such as, let me look at some analytics. Let me see, is that a great decision? Was that good? Because everybody know Meta crashed heavy recently. Let me add myself right here. And in the comments, let me know if you guys are any Meta holders. Do y'all hold any Meta stock? So if you look at it, right, year to date, Meta was up $333 and we are under $100 right now, $97, which is unfreaking heard of. You look a year ago, that's what you see. 2 years ago, all the way to 5 years ago. So basically, Meta haven't been this price. If look at this, we're gonna go under $100. Meta haven't been under $100 in damn near 6 years. We go right here. 2016. We're about to be in 2023. So this means if you bought Meta from right here and held it and didn't sell, you technically lost money if you didn't take any profits. This is one of the biggest things to talk about. They're going to be teaching this in classes years from now on how you should take profits and how you should invest in companies that have dividend yields. This is the most important time to have a high dividend yield company, because even if it's going down, you're supposed to be getting paid right here for owning the shares. And what's going on with Meta is Mark Zuckerberg decided to go all in on the metaverse. And unfortunately, in my opinion, the metaverse is not what nobody expected, such as Facebook are like, okay, everybody is moving towards the metaverse, so let me get first. Let me jump ahead and get started early. But people are 5 years delayed from wanting to do that. I never tried on one of the Oculus type of machines. I don't want to do any meetings on there. It's like if you're not a kid or if you're not a gamer, you're not really in that realm, and it's hard to get people to do something new. Because it's like, yo, we can just do a regular Zoom call. So I can see it going that way. Once kids start buying it, the parents got to buy it, then your jobs require it. It's going to take some time to be able to get it there. And I also want to check out the analytics and stuff on Seeking Alpha. Because with Seeking Alpha, I have an affiliate with them where you guys can get in there for like $100 for a year. I believe that's like the promotion. But with Seeking Alpha, it gives us the full breakdown of the financials. That's what I like to see. I like to see, show me your growth. Let me see what the experts are saying. So today it's up 4%, so $97. So it's about to be close to $100. You see the year in the last year, 70%, year to date, 71. That's just terrible. So if we go to the rating, Quant have it as a hold. They saying, hey, you can go ahead and hold it. They saying don't buy it, don't sell. And you look back right here, it's still a strong hold. So nobody is buying or selling. If we go to the financials, the revenue was down. We go to their last recent earnings. They miss. Revenue actual, don't provide any dividends. The valuation is good, yeah, because it's Facebook. But the growth is an F. This is terrible because Mark Zuckerberg already said in the future he's planning to basically take an L next year. So he already said in 2023 it's going to be an L. So when your growth is an F, that's terrible. Profitability, how you got your growth an F and your profitability is an A+. Because even though most people is watching this from the United States, Facebook is 20 times bigger in different countries. Momentum is bad. Yeah, Facebook is bigger in different countries And it's more important over there than it is in America because we got more options. So what I'm looking at right now, their peers, seeing what they're doing, hold, options. So yeah. Now, if I go to the price, is this a good time to buy, right? My honest opinion, the reason I never held any meta stocks, not once in my life. I use Facebook every single day. I use Instagram every single day. But I don't like the company and what they stand for because I would be damned if I have $100,000. I got $10,000 in this company that I own a percentage of now, and y'all fucking ban me for 30 days because I said the N word, because I said something that y'all didn't like. You know, it's like, that's not going to work with me. So I hate, because I done been in Facebook jail a bunch of times. Yesterday, somebody was commenting about the Kanye West and that situation. And my man was just giving history, and Facebook was like, yo, we hid this post because it's, I don't know if they said it's hate, it's something, but it wasn't. So I just don't respect what Facebook is doing enough for me to invest in them. Now, I'm debating, it looked like a good option trade setup because if you look at this price and when you've been getting beat down this bad, you assume it only can go up from here, yo. You assume it only can go up from here. So if anything, I will take a shot at an option trade saying it's going to go back to 110 within the next month. That's what I would probably do. But buying it, the thing is, I believe Jeremy is going to make money with this because you're getting in a company, one of the biggest companies in the world, on the biggest discount, 70% deal. So imagine going to the Gucci store, Versace store, Coach store, whatever you like to buy, and they like, look, everything in the store is 70% off. Would you buy it? You know, 70% off. So it's a good discount. I believe he's going to make money off of this because can it go lower? I don't know. It could, but we will see. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Would you buy this? Would you not buy it? If you guys want some free stocks with Moomoo, I will have the link in the bio. All you have to do is sign up, do a deposit of $100 or do a deposit of $2,000, and you're going to get up to 15 free stocks. Talk to y'all soon.